Hi friends, welcome to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I wanted to show you some organizers we can use in our closets to maximize the storage. In generally, in apartments, we have less space, and over a period of time, things get accumulated. So if we have some organizers and we organize them, so it is easy for us to access them and it looks clean and organized. So these are my ideas. Please look into them and which organizer you use them. Let me know in the comment section. These are the hanging shelf organizer for the closet. Really I like this item because they are very cheap and it can sort out so many items, and they are not steady as a wooden one, but it has multiple purposes. I have two of them. We can use it for different purposes. uh, I have stored like different medicines, different files, and phones. And in another organizer, I have separated the clothes of sports cloth, nightwear, and all those things. I have placed them. So these are very good organizers. We can use these kind of thin baskets underneath so that we can double up the space. I have used these basket to store my leggings, and it can hold lot of leggings if you roll them up. Investing in matching hangers is a good idea, and that too I like white hangers. So they look clean and they look uniform, and it is a good investment for your closet. By using command hooks over the door, we can create more space. We can hang some items like purses and jewelry items. This can be hooked on the closet doors. So by using command hooks, we have lot of uses. When we purchase comforters or bed sheets, we will get these kind of bags. These are transparent and we can see what is there inside. So I have stored my fancy party wear dresses in this bag. So this is also one kind of good organizer for the closet. It is the over the door hanger. It has many hooks, like around 10 hooks it has multiple purposes. Like we can also hang the handbags and purses, and we can also hang the belts like this, and we can also hang towels, sweaters, and everything. It can be used in different ways however you want, but it is a very good say space saver, and it looks organized, and it can also hold many items. So it is a very good item to organize. These kind of scarf hanger are very good product for organizing scarf. Instead of throwing on a dump, it is easy to select. So this is a one good organization product. We can use them in the closets. If you have any box with a lid and it can be stacked up on each other, then it is a very good organization product. And since they are clear, we can see clearly, and these are all available in different sizes. I have used them to store my clothes. We can use in storing any items. So they are very useful and very. These kind of heavy hampers are useful in holding heavy items. I have used this one in my closet to store the big comforters. So it can accommodate like 3 to 4 comforters together. So this is also one good item to store the heavy items. We can use S hooks in our closet. I don't have S hooks, that's why I am using this shower curtain hooks. They are also in the shape of S. I used them in my closet to hold my boys jeans. We can use these kind of hooks to hang the handbags. These are also one good organizer for your closet. We can also use these kind of 3 storage drawers, and in the way we can use the vertical space nicely, so we can store different items like books, toys, and everywhere you can use it, and it is very good item. We can use these kind of storage bins in the closet. It can hold lot of items, and it has some lid on top of it, so we can use it on the top shelf. So it looks very good if you have same kind of bins in your closet. This is one rack. I got it from Costco for a cheaper price, and by using some baskets in this rack I can maximize the space in the closet. And also by using the labels we can organize it clearly, and we can, in the organization system, the labeling system plays a vital role. These are the vacuum sealed bags available. We can use them to store the summer clothes or winter clothes which are not in use. By using them we can double up the storage and we can keep it aside. So they are very helpful in storing the items. This is the over the door multi pocket organizer. It has lot of uses. We can use in different rooms. We can store small items separated, and it is very good in organizing. Thank you for watching my ideas. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.